To conclude the case against South Carolina Human Affairs Commission, I am providing many documents, but I'm only going to focus on a few to be specific. The document before you now is the unlawful order by Judge G. Thomas Cooper Jr., dated March 20, 2018. I've already stated to you why they used the date of March 20, 2018, when the actual hearing date was on March 12, 2018. You're welcome to focus on the documents in detail, but as I stated to you, I'm going to focus on just a few. In the conclusion of this unlawful order by Judge G. Thomas Cooper Jr., he talked about alternative dispute resolution, ADR. Just because you mention it does not mean compliance, but a violation. He also spoke about the federal mandate from the United States Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals. Just because you mention it does not mean compliance, but a violation. But in this order, he did not mention the order from the United States District Court, Columbia Division, in order to remand for state claims. He did not mention a federal judgment from the United States Fourth Circuit Court of Appeal in order to remand for state claims. Just because you did not mention it does not mean you get an exemption on judicial misconduct. Judge G. Thomas Cooper Jr. violated alternative dispute resolution law for the state of South Carolina that's required for all civil lawsuits filed in the state. Just because you mention it does not mean compliance. Here is the federal mandate from the United States Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals in order to remain. Just because you mention it does not mean compliance with a violation. This is the order from the United States District Court, Columbia Division, in order to remain, that he did not mention it. Here is the judgment from the United States Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals that he did not mention it. And here is the second part of that judgment. Judge G. Thomas Cooper Jr., just because you did not mention the order from the United States District Court, Columbia Division, or the federal judgment from the United States Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals, does not give you an exemption on judicial misconduct. To the United States Department of Justice, I am requesting an investigation. To the state of South Carolina Human Affairs Commission, the United States EEOC, and the courts, you have refused to say my name. I said my own name, and justice is still required.